Hi, my name is Portia Kimball, your cake diva, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make tires out of fondant. When making fondant tires, you can use an Oreo cookie, or what I'm going to use today is a mini frosted donut. This is the perfect size for a tire, and it's simple and edible. So I have my mini frosted donut here. I have a small piece of black fondant rolled out. Once I've rolled it out, I'm just going to gently place this on top of my donut. I'm going to use my fingers to just basically go around the donut. I'm molding it with my hand. Once I have got the fondant all the way around and I'm pleased with the coverage, I'm going to take an X-Acto knife. You can use an angled spatula or just a regular kitchen knife. And you're going to go all the way around the donut, just making a circle. I'm going to remove the fondant. I'm going to take the bottom of my donut and gently press any excess that is around the bottom. The good thing about the chocolate is you don't have to use anything for the fondant to stick. It's going to automatically stick to the chocolate. Now I've got my round piece. So to make that middle of the tire, I'm going to just take my finger, press down in the middle, and now I have a fondant tire.